A smart Android-based parking system to reduce traffic congestion. These are the various contents we are going to discuss throughout our demo. Traffic congestion is a common problem in developing countries like India. This is the everyday scenario in most of the metropolitan cities of the world. Because of the heavy traffic, people lose their valuable time from their busy schedule. One of the main reasons for traffic congestion is parking on the roadside. So, we need to develop a parking system so that can reduce the traffic congestion in future. Here, this demo describes of developing an Android application to control traffic congestion. One of the major reasons for this traffic jam is roadside parking. Unnecessary parking on the road makes the road narrow and thus creates traffic congestion. In the metropolitan cities, if the drivers park cars in a busy road, the road becomes scanty. It will take more time to cross the road. This scenario is also seen in front of the school buildings or offices. A huge number of cars are being parked in the nearby roads, which created unbearable traffic. Another problem is that there is no enough parking slot as per the number of vehicles. The high-rise buildings aren't built according to the building code, that is, urban rules aren't being followed. Instead of making parking in the basement, many building owners decided to make it another floor, which when rented gives extra profit. Now, it is not possible to make the ground floor into the parking area. This will destroy the infrastructure of the building. So, we need to come up with a digital plan to solve the parking problem in metropolitan cities. My main objective is to develop mobile application for controlling traffic congestion. This system will solve traffic problems and make our life more productive. This Android platform is reliable and easy to use. After observing all the parking problems, this proposed system will help us to find out the nearest parking area or any parking slot which is empty to park his or her vehicle. If a car owner finds a parking slot in any of the parking area, when he or she will enter into the parking area, the timer will be started by the parking slot owner. When the car owner wants to leave the parking slot, he or she will call the parking owner to stop the counter. When the counter will stop, it will automatically generate a parking bill for the car owner. Now, there will be two ways to pay the bill to the parking slot owner. The car owner wants to pay the bill in cash or any mobile banking system like Paytm or PhonePe. Once the bill is paid, the parking slot owner will give you confirmation that the bill is paid. In this application, there will be a calling system between parking slot owner and car owner. They can also rate each other as per their behavior. This is a system architecture of the Android application. User authentication is one of the prime factor for our proposed system. To make user authentic, we use mobile numbers to register. As we all know that in our mobile numbers are verified by the national ID. So once the mobile installs the APK files of the system to Android phones, they need to register himself with the phone numbers. After giving phone number, a 6-digit code will be given to the user for further process. The user needs to add other information like his or her name, email address, car number, parking slot number. And user can register himself as a car owner, parking slot owner or both. Once you have registered a parking slot owner, you need to press the button empty whenever you want to give a rent to your parking slot. Now if you are a car owner, after completing the registration, you need to search for by location. When you will search, if any parking slot is found empty, it will notify you. The application will also show you the nearest parking location from your current location. This is a flow chart which gives a clear vision of the entire system. If a parking slot is available, you will call the parking slot owner and ask him or her if you can park your car there. After the car is being parked, a time will be started to count the amount of time the car is spent in the parking slot. When the car owner wants to release the parking slot, he or she will take away the car and timer will be stopped. After the timer is being stopped, an automatic report will be generated about the rent of the car owner. Then the car owner can pay the bill to the parking slot owner and leave the parking area. This is the various technologies used in our application. Here front end is developed using XML, that is extensible markup language, and back end is developed using Java. This Android application consists of PHP and MySQL database server. PHP is a server-side scripting language that we are used to connect the MySQL database server to Android Studio. MySQL is a database, the most widely used open source server to store both the car and the parking slot owner information and the timing and arrival and departure of the car. After the registration of the owner into the system, they will be uniquely identified by the email address and mobile number. The MySQL server contains several rows where you can put information like name, email address, mobile number, address, etc. This is a difference between existing and a proposed system. Most of the existing parking systems are hardware based. This parking system is a software based, it is a mobile application. The existing parking system is usually placed in front of the parking area. A guard will give a token to every car and allow the car inside the parking area. Our system is a software based system, so it does not require any hardware set in front of the door or any token. The existing parking system has a fixed car parking rate. That is, there is no difference if a car is parked for 1 hour or 8 hours. In our proposed system, there will be a counter inside the application. It will act like a stopwatch in the parking slot owner application. So it will help you to generate an exact parking bill for each of the car. In the existing system, there is no opportunity to utilize someone's personal parking area when they aren't utilized their parking area. The existing systems are for large parking areas. In our proposed system, they will give a personal parking slot owners an opportunity to utilize their parking in the absence of the cars and make some profit. The proposed smart Android-based parking system has been developed using existing technology. This system automates the process of parking system, thus saves lot of time. It is also cost effective because it relies on a smartphone. As this completely automates the parking system, it leaves no room for any kind of error. This system will provide a safety and hassle-free parking to the car owners as the parking slot owners are being registered with details. Unused parking slot in the working hours will add some extra money to the parking slot owner. Thus, it will help both the parking slot owner and the car owner. Our system will solve and eradicate the traffic problems and make our life better and more productive. In the future, we want to even develop our application even for iOS platform. And we want to make our system more spacious, optimized and efficient. Again, in the Android-based parking system, the payment method is relied on mobile banking system. In future, we will try to build our own mobile banking system inside the application so that people don't need to depend on other mobile banking system or cash. This is a screenshot of one of the mobile application. This is how application looks. We have a register A who can register as a car owner or parking slot owner or both. We need to enter different details like name, email ID, phone number, etc. We can even raise a complaint against a car owner or parking slot owner if needed. Next, we can even rate each other, that is the parking slot owner and the car owner can rate each other based on the behavior. These are the various references which has helped me in giving this demo. Thank you.